Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 1.8, Problem 7. This is Section 1.8, Problem 7. It says Donna has a driveway that is 30 feet long and 15 feet wide. And then Part A asks what is the perimeter of this driveway, and Part B asks what is the area of this driveway. So let's draw a little bit of a picture of what a driveway like this might look like. So let's say it's 30 feet long and 15 feet wide. So first, remember what the perimeter is. It's the distance all the way around an object. And if it's rectangular, if it's 30 feet across the top, it'll also be 30 feet across the bottom. And if the right side is 15 feet, then the left side will also be 15 feet. So the perimeter, the distance all the way around, I will just add these numbers together. Let's add them vertically. 15 plus 30 plus 15 for the other side, and 30. So now if I add, I start in the far right column, 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 5 more is 10, and then 10 plus 0 is 10. So for 10, I'll write the 0 from the 10 under the column of digits that I just added, and the 1 from the 10 I'll bring to the top of the next column of digits. And now I'll continue the process. I'll add 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 6 plus 3 more is 9. So that gives me an answer of 90. Now this is in feet, so the answer is the perimeter of the driveway is 90 feet. You want to include the units of measure for an application problem. Then B says, what is the area of the driveway? So area is the length times the width, or the base times the height, however you want to label it. So for B, area equals length times width. So the length we'll say is 30 feet times the width is 15. Now you can multiply this out in a very traditional way, especially if you don't have a calculator, but there was a trick for multiplying big numbers, 30 is fairly big, where some of the digits were zeros. So what I'll do is I'll initially ignore the 0 in the 30, and I'll really just multiply 3 times 15. 3 times 15 is 45, and then that 0 that I ignored briefly, I will put back. So I have 45 with a 0 at the end of it is 450. So that's the area of the driveway. So area is given in square units of measure. The units of measure in this example are feet. So it's 450 square feet. That's the area of the driveway. So you can write out square feet, or you can just use an abbreviation, 450 SQFT is a pretty traditional abbreviation for square feet.